Hello guys, welcome to my channel, AD Jane, Cooking with Adora. Today I'm going to show you how to make fufu. As you all know, fufu has been trending on social media, and I'm going to teach you how to make it in the comfort of your home. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my videos. Fufu comes in powdery form. There are different types of powders that you can use to make your fufu. I have here rice powder, corn powder, yam powder. This is also called pounded yam, and this is important for Nigerians. There are several other kinds of powder, like cocoyam powder, banana, plantain. Some people even use oat. So any grain that has enough starch in it can actually be made into fufu. Basically, fufu is part of a meal that complements Nigerian ethnic soup. There are different types of soup. Egusi soup. I'm sure you've all heard about that. It's trending. Look out for my videos on different kinds of ethnic soup. Okra soup, vegetable soup, and several others. Again, like, comment, let me know what you think about my video. So these are the tools that you need for making your fufu. A pot with handle and deep, not the shallow type, so that you can contain your fufu, stir your fufu into a smooth dough. And you need water. 1 cup of water to 1 cup of powder. And you look at the consistency. If you need to add additional water just to loosen it, you can do that. And if you want to add additional powder to make it a little thicker, you can do that. Whatever consistency that works for you is what you should go for, but it has to be able for you to be molded. Okay, now you need spatula. This is just to show you the different lengths of spatulas. I like the long because it keeps your hand away from the heat. One is also equally okay, but the problem is it's too close to the pot. Some people like this because it gives them more leverage to stir their fufu. My recommendation for beginners will be the long spatula. The next thing is boil your water. This is your 1 cup of water. The water boil or near boil. So this water is ready, and I'm going to start adding the powder. And you keep stirring. You have to stir real fast. Have to stir real fast. See that? You have to stir real fast. Continue to stir. Look at the consistency. If it's too hard, add just a little bit of water to loosen it out. Half a cup of water. Break it all up. Yes, so this is a good consistency. Keep stirring until it's all well mixed up. Okay, and you have your nicely smooth dough, and that's your fufu. Okay. So how do you know that your fufu is done? You have to look at it. The color, it's not looking pure white anymore. That means it's cooked. And that's it. That's your fufu. Nice, smooth, good consistency. Now let's see. Very easy to cut up. See that? It's not messy. It's not too soft. It's not too thick. Now this goes with nice authentic Nigerian soup. Watch my video on Egusi soup, okra soup, vegetable soup, and so on. You can make yourself fufu in the comfort of your home with any of the Nigerian soup on my channel. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe to my video.